The spirit and wisdom of our ancestors never fade. This is a phenomenon that accompanies us throughout our lives. This spiritual world, sort of parallel dimension, pulsates in our consciousness beyond time and space. It's full of mysteries, it's enlightening and full of novel features. Every single one of us, at different stages of our lives, open this world in our own way. However, there has always been those who were born to carry the spark, the magic of ancient spirituality, to help the mere mortals touch the sacred world of our ancestors or ultimate reality and set up an invisible and strong bond. They are the keepers of traditional knowledge and culture. And if the people still honor their keepers, these nations continue to live. Music of Immortal Worlds. Similar to all other unique phenomena of the Kyrgyz culture, traditional music permeates the entire Kyrgyz nomadic life. Elegantly subtle, rich, with ethereal vibrations and extending to the heart as echoes of eternity. The Kyrgyz music played an important and multifaceted role in the fate of the Kyrgyz people. Music could simply serve as a companion to the Kyrgyz in all life events. Broken and complex rhythm, lack of ongoing rhythmic pattern has always been the main feature of Kyrgyz music. The Kyrgyz are also known for offering a variety of techniques to perform the music and for all of the musical instruments to being mobile and adaptable to a nomadic way of life. Kılyak, kumus, oğuz kumus, chopochor, sabızgı, jetigan, double bass and other instruments served the Kyrgyz creativity for centuries. Music for the Kyrgyz is also a mode of communication to pass down information, symbols, and values. Through melody, our ancestors could convene the beauty of their nature, their history, valuable lessons, and wishes for the future generations. Through music, joyful and sad news were conveyed and messages were delivered. While the symbolism of human dignity and greatness of nomadic spirit flows through all musical creations of the Kyrgyz people. Nonetheless, the most important and respected role of Kyrgyz music was to awake the consciousness and heal the soul of a human. In other words, music was a mode of communicating with the spiritual world, which the Kyrgyz call Kayıp Dünya, the world of ghost. Since ancient times, the Kyrgyz with special music instruments, especially the komus, were able to heal sicknesses and affect the environment, able to clear the space from all negative aspects and restore harmony. Often the older generations talk of Kyrgyz virtuoso musicians who through their melodies could influence a change of consciousness of animals and humans alike, in other words, enter them into a state of trance. while skilled comos players with the melody Talmabi could cause their audience to a spontaneous trance dance, in which the dancers could exhibit extraordinary abilities which were not known to them before. The music keepers are gifted musicians, masters of musical instruments, and dedicated experts of traditional musical art. Due to distinctive musicians, from simple rural musicians to great nationwide virtuosos, the Kyrgyz melodies conquer the hearts of growing number of followers and admirers every day. While the art of creating unique musical instruments continue to pass down from generation to generation, today, the Kyrgyz traditional music is finding its second wind. The Kyrgyz, for the past 5 years, have begun to show a genuine interest in their musical traditions. More and more often, one can see a traditional Kyrgyz musical instrument in the homes of modern families and hear the traditional songs on celebrations and festivities. Increasingly, people want to learn to play on national instruments and simply listen to the mysterious sounds of the native music for their soul. All of this would not be possible if the keepers of this unique music, unable to bear the burden of everyday life, did not preserve and pass down this precious spiritual wealth of our ancestors to the present day. Thanks to these people, we can feel to the full extent that sound as a great miracle that can remind us of our higher nature, the infinite path of self-development and self-discovery. The fact that the spirit and wisdom of our ancestors do not vanish, that on the contrary, it accompanies us throughout our lives.
Başında kanlar ölüp yatıptır, kalkanları kalkayıp, çöküntüdeyden kayıp, şerler ölüp yatıptır. Tuvaleki bölün, erkek tuğup karasa, yerlerden yatkan ölümün, oşunda cuşağına koyday göründü. Oşu gök belcigen gök kıya, ona çap çıkıp vardı deyit, hem över can deyip, göz götürüp saldı deyit. Oşunda kara dayra görünüp, suğa jetmey berrip, bir adamның alanı, kıl etip görünüp, gözündeki taş gibi, jölt etip görünüp, korgay olsun seni dep, kıramın aspıratırıp,